These are sea fireflies doing their little magic trick. Sea fireflies are small marine crustaceans that communicate with each other or defend themselves by emitting a blue light. The light is rather subtle, a bit weaker than a glow stick. Nonetheless, there are stories of Japanese soldiers during the Second World War that allegedly used dry sea fireflies to read maps or books at night. The light emitted by these dried sea creatures must have been just enough to distinguish letters or topographic information, but on the other hand was dim enough to be near invisible to the enemy at a distance. These reports fascinated me so much that I wanted to put it to the test. How could this have worked? Here is what I came up with. First, the creatures must be dried swiftly, without exposing them to direct sunlight. Second, they have to be stored in a dry and well-sealed container. Next, the dried sea fireflies are transferred into a transparent container, in this case, a test tube. As soon as water is added to the dry sea fireflies, they light up. It is quite incredible how these creatures retain their light-emitting properties after being dried. Sea fireflies store copious amounts of vargolin in their bodies, which is an analog to luciferin in fireflies. Even after desiccation, this substance stays intact and active as long as exposure to oxygen and moisture is limited. When water comes into contact with vargolin, it starts to react with the oxygen dissolved in the water, creating blue light and CO2. As you can see, the kanji and hiragana are clearly visible, even for the camera. The eyes need to get used to this dim shimmer, but after that, short reading sessions are possible. The glow lasts only for about 3 to 5 minutes, and just after about 2 to 3 minutes, the test tube had to be stirred to keep up the light output. In conclusion, the stories and reports about the use of dried sea fireflies as a light source by Japanese soldiers is extremely plausible. The only important aspect that lets me doubt it is the fact that these dried sea fireflies have to be kept extremely dry, which is a challenging task in the climate of the Pacific Islands of East and Southeast Asia. Thank you so much for watching. Let's dig up some more dirt and let's stay curious.